Spring Cool Auto Air Condition Service Limited. Come in today. Let's sort you out.
This is the gas, 134A. This is the gauge of gas of all different vehicles that are from the oldest to the newest. So we'll be producing this, having this in order to have the vehicles cooling properly and have it in order so the customers will be comfortable and nice. Thank you very much.
Alright, this is Cool again from Spring Cool Auto. This is what a blower look like. You replace these blowers and then when they go bad, sometimes you have a vehicle, you have to knock it to pay it on, and when the brushes in the blower going bad, replace these things. Alright, sometimes it jack bad, we replace everything, right? So when you have any problems with the blower, just come and check us at Spring Cool Auto.
After this is Asha again here from Spring Cool Auto Economy.
Come in
This is the
today.
condenser. It is be replacing, changing. It is be causing very leakage in it. We have to be changing the condenser. We have to be changing the dryer bag. You see the dryer bag inside here? We have to be changing them parts in them. The condenser we change it for you all to be comfortable and have a air conditioner with it. The AC lines we change in different vehicles. We have all a whole variety of lines for the AC vehicles in them. And this is lines which is leaking in the vehicle. We need to change for the problem to sort out to get the vehicles car cooling properly. The aluminum welding. To do it properly, we specialize in aluminum welding. Everything is everything. So when you all understand how we're going on with the aluminum welding.
Alright, good afternoon. It's Cool Richards. I'm working at Spring Cool. This is what leaking evaporators look like. If you watch closely, you see how the dirt on them inside looking like this, but I leakage. Right, corroded. So eventually it's leak. You just replace these things here in multiple vehicles, any vehicles. Alrighty, let's come and check me and we change all these evaporators there in any vehicle.
Good afternoon. I Ashwan Samaru, working at Spring Cool Auto Economy. I've been dealing with compressors, evaporators, AC work, all different work, and I would like to explain to the compressors what's the problems with them. It will be the clutch split bag, it could be the bearing bag, and it could be the coil. The coil in the compressor could change, the bearing could change, the clutch split could change. Sometimes when the compressor gets in trouble, you have to change the whole compressor. Otherwise, so everything will be in order. So,
That compressor right now.